Hey guys, before we start the video, I just wanted to come in and say thank you for all your support, and I also wanted to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by me. In case you guys don't know, I actually have an Etsy shop, and if you guys could go check it out, that would be awesome. I actually sell the plushes that I make from these videos. I make similar ones and I sell them on there. Alright, let's get into this video. So excited. Bye guys. I know we're all excited for the new announcement of the new starter Pokemon, the new gen, so to commemorate it, I made a stuffed animal of one of the starters, Quaxly. For this project, you will need 1 blue fluffy sock, 1 yellow fluffy sock, and 1 white fluffy sock. You will also need white felt, black felt, blue felt, scissors, a marker, pliers also help, glue, preferably fabric glue, yellow thread, blue thread, and of course white thread. And you'll also need a needle. Also to stuff it, I like to use poly pellets, but those are optional. And then also polyfill stuffing. To start making our amazing plush, we are going to start by cutting the toe of the sock off in a rounded shape, and then stuffing it with the polyfill stuffing. The stitch we will be using for the head is a running stitch, which is when you weave the needle in and out of the thread, and then pulling it to make sort of like a drawstring kind of thing. Oops, in and out of the fabric, not the thread. Now, cut a curve right after the heel of the sock, and then round out the other edge. Now, ladder stitch these two sides together, or before cutting it out, back stitch it. Go ahead and stuff the body. This is where you would use the poly pellets if you do choose to use them, and sew the head on. Make 2 small rectangles and backstitch them on the blue sock for the legs. Cut them out and stuff them, and then attach them to the body using a ladder stitch. Next, draw out the shape of the feet, backstitch them, cut them out, stuff them, and using a ladder stitch, attach them to the 2 legs you have just made. Now, cut out 2 ovals and backstitch them, turn them inside out, stuff them, and sew them onto the body for the wings. Also, backstitch a small blue triangle and attach it to the side of the hair. I don't know why I got so blurry here, but I have cut out an oval with the yellow thread, done a running stitch, stuffed it slightly, then using a ladder stitch, sewed it onto the front of the head. Lastly, I did the felt work, which consisted of cutting 2 curvy shapes, one out of black felt and one out of white felt for the mouth and for the little highlight on the hair, and then also making 2 white ovals and 2 blue ovals, and then also doing 2 black lines on the side of the head. Here it is, all done. I hope you guys liked it. Have a great day.